Good morning, students. In this video, discuss about aggregation functions. First of all, aggregation function. Aggregation functions are all about performing calculations on multiple rows of a single column of a table and returning a single value. Some aggregation functions are sum, average, count, minimum, and maximum. Why use aggregate functions? From the business properties, different organization levels have different information requirements. Top level managers are usually interested in knowing whole figures and not necessarily individual details. Aggregation functions allow us to easily produce summarizing data from our database. For instance, from our MyFlip database, the management may require following reports. First report is least rented movies. Second one is most rented movies. Third one is average number of each movie is rented out in a month. We can easily produce above the reports using aggregation function. The first function is sum. It returns the sum of values in expressions. Suppose we want a report that gives the total amount of payments made so far. We can use the SQL sum function which returns the sum of all the values in the specified column. Sum works on numeric fields only. Null values are excluded from our result returned. The following table shows the payment details in payment. The query source get all the payments made on the sum them up to return a single result. Select sum of amount paid from payments. Executing the above query in MySQL workbench against the MyFlip gives the result sum amount paid. The total amount is 10,500. The second function is average, AVG. The SQL average function returns the average value in a specified column. Just like the sum functions, it works only numeric data types. Suppose we want to find the average amount paid, we can use following query. Select AVG, open bracket, amount paid from payments. The executing above query in SQL gives us the following results. AVG, amount paid 3,500. Next function is count. The count function returns the total number of values in a specified field. It works on both numeric and non-numeric data types. All aggregate functions by default exclude null values before working on the data. Count asterisk is a special implementation of the count function that returns count of all the rows in specified table. Count asterisk also consider null and duplicates. The table shows the data as movie rental tables. It contains reference number, transaction date, return date, membership number, movie ID, movie rented. Let's suppose that we want to get the number of times that movie with ID 2 has been rented out. The query is select count movie ID from movie rental where movie ID equals to 2. The executing above query in SQL workbench against MyFlip gives the following result. count is 3. Next function is max. It returns largest value from a specified table. Let's assume we want to get the year that the latest movie in our database was released. We can easily use max function to achieve that. The following example returns the latest movie year released. The query is select maximum year released from movies. Executing the above query in SQL using MyFlix, it gives the result following the maximum year release is 2012 in minimum. That means min function. The min function returns the smallest value of the specified table. As an example, let's suppose we want to know the year in which the oldest movie in our library was released. We can use SQL min function to get desired information. The following query helps to achieve that. Select min year release from movies. The executing the above query in SQL works against MyFlix gives the following results. Min year release, that is 2005. Thank you, students.